In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the shipping date has already passed error in Shopify. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the sidebar and click Settings. This opens the main settings area for your store. From here, click General. On this page, you should see Store Details near the top, and a little further down, you'll see Store Defaults, which is where the time zone setting appears. Now scroll down until you reach Store Defaults. Find the time zone dropdown and check the time zone that's currently selected. This needs to match your actual physical location because Shopify uses this setting when it calculates time-based actions like shipping dates. If the time zone is incorrect, click the dropdown, choose the correct time zone from the list, and then move to the top right corner and click Save to apply the change. Next, go back to Settings in the bottom left corner of the sidebar. This time, click Locations. That opens the list of locations connected to your store. These are the places Shopify can use for fulfillments, so it's important that the one you ship from is set up correctly. Click the location you use to ship orders. Once the location page opens, look at the address section and verify that the address is complete and correct. Make sure the shipping location details are properly filled in, since this information affects how fulfillment is handled. Then find the option labeled Fulfill Online Orders from this location. Check whether that box is turned on. In some stores, it may already be checked by default. If it isn't checked, click the box to enable it. This makes sure Shopify is allowed to use that location for online order fulfillment. If you change the address or turned on the fulfillment option, click Save to keep those updates. At this point, you've completed the main checks that usually fix the shipping date error by making sure your store time zone and fulfillment location are correctly configured. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. After saving everything, the issue should be resolved if it was caused by one of these settings. If you had the wrong time zone selected, Shopify may have been treating the current date and time incorrectly. If the fulfillment location was incomplete or not enabled for online orders, that could also trigger the shipping date message. With both areas checked and saved, your store settings should now